Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will see natural deodorants that actually work. For more information, please click the links in the description. Natural deodorants are 100% healthy products, which do not contain harmful chemicals in their composition. There are many basic ideas and compositions to choose from. Unlike conventional deodorants, natural deodorants do not contain chemicals but are made with 100% natural components. In this video, we will see the reasons why it is better not to buy deodorants containing chemicals and the natural deodorants best suited to each need. The armpit is a delicate and sensitive region, especially because of its proximity to the breast. In this area, chemicals are absorbed very quickly and the risk of side effects is present. There are more toxic chemicals, including parabens. They are actually preservatives. Some varieties are methylparaben, benzylparaben or propylparaben. Parabens in deodorants mainly affect the endocrine system. Aluminum hydrochloride. This is the component that makes antiperspirants prevent perspiration. Aluminum hydrochloride clogs pores, creating pimples or painful cysts under the armpits. Synthetic perfumes. They are equivalent to a mixture of chemicals which can affect the resistance of the outer protective layer of the skin. Phthalate is one of the most commonly used chemicals to maintain an attractive odor. Preservatives. Among others, triclosan or phenoxyethanol. The preservatives are antibacterial and prevent the gradation of the compounds. The problem is that they function as disruptors of the endocrine system. Natural deodorants do not clog pores, that is, they do not block perspiration. Through perspiration, the body eliminates toxins, which is essential for proper organic functioning and is used by the body to regulate its temperature. In addition, it is possible to reduce the odor of sweat without using chemicals. In natural cosmetics, ingredients with an antiperspirant function allow a wide range of perspiration. Their compounds are based on minerals, oils, and essences which play the same roles as chemicals but in a natural way. There are two main series of ingredients that serve as the basis for the preparation of natural, ecological, and organic deodorants. This means a 100% chemical-free product for the body. Ecological deodorants with alumstone. Alumstone is a natural antiperspirant. Its advantage is that it does not completely close the pores, but allows moderate perspiration. In addition, it generates a protective film on the skin with an antibacterial effect. In these cases, natural deodorants can be presented as a solid material that will be passed under the armpit. There are also liquid alternatives with their spray version. Deodorants with organic essential oils. Essential oils are the basis of all creams, deodorants, and perfumes. The antiseptic and antibacterial properties are obtained from plants such as rosemary, tea, lavender, lemon or ylang-ylang, among others. Thank you for watching. You can watch more videos by clicking the links in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friend.